info buffet.py. I want to show you the question. Buffet. A buffet-style restaurant offers only 5 basic food. Think of 5 simple food and store them in a tuple. Oh, this is not list but tuple. The difference using list and tuple is the list is we can change the value in a list, but in the tuple we didn't change the value in each tuple. So I want to show you. You want to create a list of items that cannot change. Tuple allow you to do just that. Python refers to value that cannot change as immutable. So the immutables mean that the value that cannot change. And immutable list is called a tuple. Okay. Different is as if you use parentheses instead of square and bracket. Yeah, if you use list like this. Okay. List. I want to show you example. List is using like this. Nah. I am, and then what's the meaning? Bebek, and then example sapi. But tuple is this is the same. Okay, so you can change all of this list. I think you can change the list for in ayam become domba, but you can change the tuple from this because the tuple is immutable, right? Okay, that's the question. Think of the 5 simple food and store them in a tuple. Okay, yeah. Foods dengan rumah sate, masya Allah, risotto, rawon, nasi goreng, bakwan. Okay, use verb to print each food. So for food input.
Yang Iran 2 yang mau ikut turnamen nanti.
Food okay. For food input to print. Okay, food. Then Python 3. Oh, 13 buffet.py. Okay, sate, soto, nasi goreng, bakwan. Masya Allah. Then try to modify one of the item and make sure Python reject the change. Okay, change foods. This if you can change is maybe in this soto, mie goreng, then terus udah. Oke. Python. Oke. Nah, tuples object doesn't support item assignment. Okay, good. Then the rest. Okay, let's do it. Okay, the second ones. The restaurant changed its menu and replacing 2 of the items with different foods. Okay, so the food is this is the tuple. Okay, you can copy paste this is okay. Then you must change to menu. I mean, like maybe like sate and seafood perkedel maybe, and this the other one is what kind of rujak, maybe rujak. Okay, and because we change the list, this is not list, yeah, I mean, sorry, this is the value of the tuple is food. Okay, and we change the variable, this is the same variable, foods and foods, right? But the value of the in the tuple is changed. There are sate and perkedel, there are different sate, perkedel and rujak, there is sate and rawon. Okay, right? And because we changes the what the meaning, this is the variable, we can add line that reverse the tuple and use for loop to print each other food of the item on the revisit menu. So this is the revisit menu. So you just make some like same like before for food in foods, then print food, right, for S, and then yes, you can what the meaning, and in this step, make sure that Python didn't reject the changes. If we add like this, foods add mie goreng, because this is not tuple, because this is not list, so Python make error. If we want to change the tuple, we must change the value of the tuple, not like this. If we use list, we can easy to just add like this. But if we use tuple, we must change all of the list, all of the value, so that the food have a new value, right? Do you understand? Okay, let's try to run this code. Okay, is it good? Okay, so good. I mean, I wanna print some sentence because using tuples. Okay, the second one is tuples, so you can know the difference. Okay, like this. Using tuples, sate, soto, rawon, masih bahan berapa? Revisit menu in tuple. Okay, done. Revisit menu in tuple 2. Okay, done. Because this is the using tuple, the difference is like this. Using kurung kurawa, not kurung siku. What the meaning? Kurung siku. If you use kurung siku, it's list. If you use kurung kurawa, that is tuple. Tuple is, we can, the name is tuple is immutable. Immutable means we didn't change the list, the value of list, actually, like this. If we want to using add or change the value foods, if we using like a list, first one, meaning that we want to try to change the list in 1. This is 0, this is the value of 0, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. If this is list, we can change it easy using just like this. Okay, and the changes the soto will change to mie goreng, right? But if we're using tuples, meaning that we cannot change as easy as the list like this. So you must copy all of the variable, all of the value in this variable in the food, and you using for and print all of the variable in foods. Do you understand? I hope you understand, but this very fundamental aspect using what's the difference between a list and tuple. So because you have some add a new line so you must add to your GitHub. Okay, using git status. Okay, git add pythoncourse git tuples and how to order and how to write over. Okay, my origin. Okay, done.